Hi, I'm Kate from PageFly. In this video, I'll walk you through the PageFly Gen 2 editor to help you use it smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by exploring how to access Page Canvas in Gen 2 editor. You can create a page from a blank page or from template. Note that when creating a new page with PageFly, you'll have two editor options. Gen 2 editor. This option allows you to customize properties like width and height, giving you the flexibility to create unique layouts with unlimited nested blocks. And Legacy editor. A simpler option with a basic row and column structure. This video focuses on the Gen 2 editor. If you prefer traditional structures, check out the Legacy editor video in the video card. Next, we'll delve into the header settings of the PageFly page. The header includes several key functions. Edit page title. Click the field on the left to change the title. Switch device view mode. Easily switch between desktop, laptop, tablet, and mobile views to see how your page looks on different screens. Canvas size. Adjust the canvas size to match your design preferences for all devices. Page editor settings. Enable theme styling. Match your PageFly page with your Shopify theme to avoid conflicts. View page structure. Display the page's layout. Show canvas size. See the exact size for each device. Undo, redo. Quickly undo or redo changes. Preview. Save your page, then click preview to see how it will appear. View live. This button is inactive gray until the page is published. Publish your page to view it live. Save, publish. The Save button stores your changes. Once saved, the button changes to publish to make your changes live. Next, let's look at the Breadcrumbs setting. Breadcrumbs offer a visual guide to your elements' positions within the page structure, helping you understand their hierarchy. Some sections may only have a section and element, while others include section, block, and element also. Now, let's move on to one of the key features of the PageFly editor, the Vertical Toolbar. In the left sidebar, this toolbar gives you access to all PageFly elements. From top to bottom, it includes these useful tools. Show page outline. Add elements. Add third-party elements. Page templates. Page settings. Version history. Add custom code. Open live chat. Finally, let's introduce the Inspector Toolbar. When you select an element in the editor, the Inspector Toolbar appears as a panel attached to it. Its color and functions may vary based on the selected element. Key functions include move, drag, and drop, select and reposition the element, duplicate, create a copy of the element, delete, remove the element, copy styles, copy the element style, paste styles, apply the copied style to another element, collapse, minimize the toolbar. This is the end of the video tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more videos.